Jason Strickland, Realtor. Cell 865-963-7074. www.jasonsalston.com. jstrickrealtor@gmail.com. Beautiful two-story home close to dining and shopping in Powell. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1 half bath. Open floor plan walk-in closets, and a huge upstairs bonus room, perfect for a large office or playroom. The master bedroom is located on the main floor. This home also has a large 2-car garage and a fenced-in backyard. Trash pickup, mowing in front and ground maintenance are included in the HOA,